Come on, E.T. Do something. I see a plane way up there, but quite clear and lovely this morning. 6 a.m. I get to drive my son to the airport. And his, and our friend Noah with him. Got 4 dogs so far. No concrete pouring. I don't know what's up with that. Probably going to be tomorrow, I would imagine. I would have thought it'd been today. This is Wednesday. Yeah, I'm surprised. Anyway. Cooper, where are you going? Coop! Snap him out of his mindset. Cooper, where are you going? Coop! Get the devil out of him. Callie just went home yesterday. That was bizarre. It was raining, so I remember Charlie did not like yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Oh my God, we were out here looking for Charlie in a blizzard. Me and my son, we were just freaking out because I used to keep the gate locked so nothing could come in while we're gone on our walks. That's why I don't lock it anymore. And we couldn't find Charlie. And it was a fucking blizzard. And I'm from Indiana. I know blizzards. And finally my wife, she's back at the house looking. She goes, are you looking for Ollie or Charlie? And we go, Charlie. And she goes, I'm staring right at him. He had pushed his way, he was so cold, he went home and pushed his way through the gate with his nose and got into the house through the dog door. And the whole time we're out here just thinking he's dying. He's like one-eyed dog, you know. Just, oh boy. So Charlie don't like the weather, so that's why he went home yesterday. He, she. Coopy! Coopy! Want some cheese, Cooper? Callie? Callie, Charlie? Oliver? Chloe? Cooper? Coop, 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 coop. Come here, Cooper. Oh boy, I think this guy's in Miami. I don't know if he's there for the winter. I don't know. Cooper. Coop. Come here, Coop. Coop, 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 Coop. Come on, Cooper. Oh, for God's sakes. Come on. Well, there's a bulldozer sitting on it. So I guess it can hold me. Cooper. Come on. Coop, 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 Coop. Come on, Cooper. Coop. Come on, Cooper. Callie. Hi, Callie. Hi, baby. I can see your eyeballs. I can see your eyeballs. You want some cheese? Huh? Or whatever this is called. Whatever it is. God. Once we figure out what they've been feeding us. How many executions will be over that one? Cooper. Coopy. Come here, Coop. Little bounce. Oh boy. Cooper's been scratching himself for over a year now. At least. I have no idea. Here, buddy. There you go. We'll get it. Let's do it. Nuthead. Come here, Cooper. Coop, 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 Coop. Come here, Coop. Come here, Coopy. Cooper. There you go. Did you grow a brain cell? There it is. Okay, good. You want a piece? Here. You don't want me? I know. God forbid I'd hand it to you. Weirdo. Charlie Callie keeps evolving. When he first came to us, he was pretty much Charlie. Charlie used to bite people. You never knew when he was going to do it, though. And that's how we got Callie, because she kept biting everybody at the shelter, and they were going to euthanize her. And at the last second, they brought her home to me. By God. By miraculous. You want cheese that bad, dude? What miracle? He did a miracle. Well, he does miracles all the time, but he did a miracle the other day. I was like, wow. Can't remember what it was. I can't remember. Okay, I'm going to turn this headlamp around. And then that way you can see the stars. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, turn that on too. Ollie, Oliver, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Come on, Ollie. A lot of times God will do something and I'm just speechless. I don't even know what to say. It's like backing up at this guy's carport with my trailer. I don't know why I stopped when I did. Stopped, put it in park out of the truck, and looked back, and I was 3 inches. If I'd gone 3 more inches, I'd have taken his carport out. There was a post I didn't see. I mean, wow. You know? Wow. Just, wow. It was like that. It was like that. Anyway, see, I think I got 3 out of 4. Oliver! Come on, Ollie! Oh my God. Why did I have to chase him? Who knows? Anyway, my son and his roommate Noah are going to Boston, I believe, because Noah is like crazy hockey fan. Hockey. I went to a couple hockey games when I was little. Checked out the Zamboni ice machine. And boring. God, boring. Whew. Dear God. Hockey was the most boring sport I've ever seen in my life. Probably because I didn't understand what was going on, but nobody scored. It just went on and 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 back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So anyway, I'm going to the airport. God, why? Ooh, dear God. Getting on an airplane is about the same as getting in a hot tub. Get in there with everybody's fecal matter floating around. Let it float right up your butt, you know? On an airplane, you're inhaling all those people, all the shit, all the thing they had put in their arm, all that shit, shedding, all that. So it's not so bad these people had that thing in their arm. Look up shedding. Look that up in regards to things that go in your arm. You didn't have it, but they're squirting it on you as they walk by you. So, however, I've heard more than once that if you have high vibes and are just here for the good, you will override that shit. So, and 70% of it was placebo. So there's that. And then there's people like the guy that lives with us. Any fart they say you need to put in your arm, he's lined up for it. It's the chicken zoo rabies elephant tusk thing, and you need the. Oh, and if you haven't had what you had before in a while, you need to do it again. It's like, oh my God, over a million have left the planet, shall we say, over that in the arm. And well, they wanted like the Georgia Guidestones. They wanted all of us gone except there's supposed to be like 8 billion. They only wanted a 500 million to be here, and the rest removed. And their plan got foiled. Oh boy. Hey, Koopy. Oliver! Come on, Ollie! Ollie! Come on, Ollie! Come on, Cooper! Come on, Coop! Come on, Cooper! Fuck. Took my eyes off of him for 5 seconds. Anyway. Did you enjoy my broadcast from a plastic bag? Sounds like a song title. Broadcast from a plastic bag. Goopy! Ollie! Ollie Wally! Come on, Ollie! Well, I think I got 3. I give up. Well, not really. That's what I need to do. Give up, and then they'll just be right with me like they were when I got knocked out last. What the fuck is up with that? Cooper. Come on, Coop. Coop. Actually, I think I have another piece of cheese. Want some cheese? Take my glove off. Let's see. Do I have some cheese? Thought I did. Wait a minute. Where's here? Yes. I'll have some cheese. We've lost Oliver. Great. Just fucking great. Oliver! Ollie! Go! Come here, Coop. Oh, goody. You hear that siren? You might hear some coyotes. The siren sets the coyotes off. Ollie! surprised they're not howling. Ollie! Oliver! Damn, he's way down there. Ollie! Come on! Come on! I think it's him. That dog keeps getting in heat. Oh, his light's out again. Oliver! Ollie! Come on, Ollie! Looks like a green light, but man, is it. Oliver! Way down there. Fuck. Shoot me. Just shoot me. I got one. I got a 3 anyway. Protect him, God. In Jesus' name. Ollie! Oliver! Great. Just great. Just great. Just great. Oh boy. Here we go again. Here we go again. God almighty. It's gotta be something, doesn't it? It's gotta be something. Ollie! Come on, Oliver! Oh boy. Wow. Oh boy. Can you see the tears in my eyes? I'm so tired. So tired of this shit. So tired of this shit. Oh God. I got 3. Anyway, nothing's happening except people saying shit's happening. It's just a stupid ass movie they're running and they've been running. So all I can tell you is keep breathing. It's a strong possibility if you kill yourself, you have to come back and do it again, and you don't want to do that. So anyway, pray for Oliver. Hands of protection over him, God. Where that doing your wings. That's weird. Oh, that's mine. Oh, that'd be great. Have my grandson run over. Cooper, come on. All right, she's getting ready to leave. But if they go in the proper door, we shouldn't have no problems. Except we're still missing Oliver. Come on, everybody. Callie, come on. Callie Welly. Callie Welly. Come on, Callie. Come on, let's go in the door. Come on. Callie! Shit, I think he's already in here, but I don't know. Nope, here he comes. Good boy, girl. Okay, well, now we get to find Oliver. So, good luck. Shit. Oh, now it comes open. Oh boy. So tired of this. All right, I'll let you know.